Hi and welcome to this video. In today's video, we will talk about how to create templates in Gmail and how to use them because it's a kind of hidden feature in Gmail. So we have here on my screen Gmail, and let me compose first an email. And here under this email, there is no option referring to templates. We have here these options, but there is nothing about templates. And in order to activate this option, we need to go to settings. Here, this gear icon, and then see all settings. And under this tab, we can go again to advanced. And here we have templates. So it says that turn frequent messages into templates to save time. So you can use any email that you get as a template. Or even you can prepare templates to automate your emails. For example, if someone orders something from you or send you a message, you can just confirm that you got the email and use a template instead of writing. So let's enable this option and save the changes. And now we can go again to compose, and here we have templates. And here inside templates, we see there is no saved templates, save draft as template, delete template. And in order to create our first template, I have a lot of emails. I'm going to go to Outlook and grab an email from Outlook or a template from Outlook. It's on my second screen. So we have this template here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to just copy everything here. And then go to the message and do just paste. I know it needs kind of adjustment because the copy paste didn't work well. We can adjust it quickly. It looks a bit better now, but this is not the topic of the video. And now we can go again to these three dots here at the bottom. I'm going to highlight them to make you see it's here in this area. And then click on it, and then go to templates, and then save draft as a new template. And here, let's use test, then save. Let's close now to see if this works. And then again, go to compose, again to these three dots here. And we have here a test template. And as you can see, it's working. We have the template in just one click. And that's how you use templates in Gmail. If you have any question, please leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe.